Hakabayadai bat kelentiral bernihat detilia. Ubah Sosthenes sotun, haka hendruk terik urisau arajar arpusan ulepen pau, bau Pdiang bermanra Rel Kit Mar nega goods train. Mereka dapat benlong kelenti dega ïasyllok shwa bat baroh lang, lalu kiken huan bagi seng balang boper. Ubah Sosthenes sotun ulong balada dega Rel Kit Mar un Pdiang ya kata. Mereka syongpat ha baroh agi beren bentalang, lalu kiseng balang boper ben penpau ya kejing snow jongki.
The only thing I can say about the railway projects, my opinion is that if for goods train, I'm in favor of that. If for goods train, for that only I can say. No, for me, I'm clear. I'm for goods train. It's I think we should. I should say like I opt for that if for good strain, but that also it depends on the stakeholders, what will they say from different groups, organization, the opinions what they'll be having.
Like Garwals is benefiting from this railway project, so don't you think like there should be some discussions with the stakeholders, NGOs on
See,
this
like
matter?
if the benefits are there, I think like if stakeholders, if we can sit together and then have a common sharing agenda, so points and opinions, so with that I think it may, or we can say that it will come out to some hope for that.
What is the reason? Is it influx that prevents people from not accepting railway?
See, different opinions come from different people. So other groups, other stakeholders also, they have their own opinions. So maybe because of that, they are afraid. For that, for others' opinion, I cannot say, because we have different person have different different opinions. So it's up to other stakeholders what they having.